Hi guys, this is the add-ons that I received in my FabFitFun that I paid for the fall 2020. So I'm just showing you what I received, what I had ordered, and yeah, the first item is it's tea, and it says one, and it's a herbal tea. Sorry, but I don't have my glasses on, but it says relaxing while maintaining a calm focus. And it's the loose tea, and this is what you put it in. I forgot what they call it, but yeah. So that's the first thing. Then I got a Lilly Pfizer bag, and I'm going to use this bag like to put my art stuff in, my pencils and stuff, or you could put cosmetics in it. And I liked it because it's a pink color. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is it. Then the next thing I got is I'm just going to show you Spongelle, and it's sugar dandelion. It's Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. And you could use this multiple times. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And it smells really good. This is what it looks like. It's a sponge. And yeah, that's the first one. Then I got another one, and this is Vanilla Zest Spongelle, and it's Beyond Cleansing, and it's a body wash infused buffer, and it says 14 plus washes. And yeah, let me show you what this one looks like. It's the same as the other one, but this is what it looks like. And this one smells really good too. Then the next item that I received, I'm just going to stick this right here. The next item that I received, that I paid, that I got, I'm saying I paid for, which I did pay for. But I got these laundry, and it says cotton liners with non-slip heel. Shelli, Segal. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And it was really a decent price. I just would have to look back to see what the prices were. But yeah. Then the next item that I got is called a Afterspa, and this is a towel for the head. After you wash your hair, and you can put this on there. So I got that in pink, my favorite color. Let's see where I can put this. It's too many things here. So I'm just going to stick it like this. And then the next items that I got, which I'm not taking them out the plastic, but I got the Scentuals, and it's 100% natural, common lavender, moisturizing hand and body lotion. And then I got the natural grapefruit turmeric, and it's hand repair. So I got these two. Very big. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but yeah, this is the way it is because I got a lot of stuff. I have 2 more items that I got, and I got this is gourmet sugar, and I got it in smoky vanilla cherry ice cream cake, and this one is in summerberry coconut cake, and it's all sugars. So I'm just gonna stick these here. And then the last thing that I got, and I thought this would be good, it's called Black Girl's Sunscreen, and it's a moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body, and it has SPF 30 broad spectrum fused with Jabaya and with avocado. So yeah, and it says it's Snow White residue, ultra sheer, fragrance free. So I like that. So yeah. So those are all the items that I received and that I had ordered in my FabFitFun for fall 2020. And I just want to thank you for watching. Goodbye.